Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello guys, welcome back to my organization. In this video I'm going to show you some kind of new strain of guppy that I made in my farm. Guppy, firstly tell you that guppy is a very easy strain to breed, and it can not take longer time for breed, and it very hard fish for live and breed. So in this tank I have two kind of rare strain, and I made them in my farm. The strain that you cannot be seen before. Now let me show you the new strain of guppy. As you can see, the first strain you see here, it's not Dumbo mosaic, and it's not Dumbo dragon or any kind of Dumbo fish. You might be not seen this before. The world might be not seen this before. It has a Dumbo and dragon combination. You can see that strain. You can see the ear and fin, and it's look like half moon, both Dumbo and Dumbo dragon, and also mixture of half moon Dumbo mosaic. But it's a new strain, so I do not try to give him a new name. I don't know its name now. You can give him a new name. The ear is huge, the fin is huge, the color is very nice and very amazing. So I don't know its name, so you can try to give him a new name, new strain. And the second strain is okay. Now this is the rarest strain of guppies. You can see a helmet of red-tailed platinum elephant ear. It's uncommon and rare. I may be bet with you that you may not see it before. If I'm going in the up, you can see the clear view that it has a helmet in the head like albino koi or tuxedo koi, and also it's got the platinum body and the elephant ear, Dumbo ear, and also the purest color of guppies. Let me tell you, it's come from albino koi and red-tailed platinum elephant ear, both mixture. After several time of breeding I got this, but unfortunately I don't got any kind of female or extra males. I got only one piece. If you have many strain in your farm, you can easily fusion these guppies without any kind of lab or scientific experiment. Just try a new breed. I show you two kind of new strains, so please do me a favor. Please comment and give them any name. The first one I already showed you, and this is the second one and last one. Let me tell you, it's beautiful. It's got nice color, nice hair, and also nice growth rate. It's only 2.5 months old. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?